Welcome to EPL at 185th. We're so glad to have you here. So it's hard to believe that we've been here for about a year. We moved into this location around April of 2025.
My experience there was very smooth. I went there with my laptop just to get away from home, and it was very peaceful, quiet. The staff there was very friendly and informative about the temporary space.
I like the location, and like I say, you don't have to park, walk it so much. Not that I can't do it, but it was kind of convenient.
The new library on 185th Street is wonderful. I went in there originally to get my passport renewed. I went in to get the applications for my wife and I, and plenty of help in there. The room is big, the books are put away already, and everyone is friendly, and you don't feel crowded in any way, and it's a great place to spend the morning or an afternoon.
We are so glad that Keith, Kim, and Chantel, and everyone who visited the temporary location enjoyed visiting during this past year. The last day to place holds was March the 2nd. EPL at 185th will close on April 3rd at 5 p.m.
So when is the last date that I can order a passport?
Oh, great question. Are you going on a trip?
I hope so.
Okay, great. So to get your passport photo and to complete your passport application, please visit the library by Sunday, March the 15th.
When will the main library be opening?
So our grand reopening will be on Saturday, June the 6th. So we are encouraging all Euclid residents to please come and join us for a fun-filled day.